Hey guys, let's try this blue icy spray.
Icy.
So we had to unfortunately take off all the wrapping because it's really hard to open. Some is on the rim, so I just completely missed my mouth, but
We can let that.
try the next one. So actually, if you saw the YouTube short, we saw the My Melody Squishmallow, and we opened the Yummy World snacks and got this. So Max,
I did this.
I'm gonna open this. He's gonna open that.
I did. And I did this.
Okay, so ooh, I got Poncho with a P on the keychain and a wonderful star and a collector's guide. So Max wants to get this one. Oh, I can't open it. So let's actually try and see if we can open a blind box. Let's open Pusheen.
I got it.
So I hope we get the fox.
Yes.
Fox.
That's my favorite. They told me.
Let's open it.
The boss.
You can't say gift me, okay? So let's open this. Let's open it up. Okay, close your eyes. Everyone, close your eyes. Oh, it's in a bag. So let's open our eyes. And let's rip it open. Let's see what we get. We got the mushroom Pusheen, and it's actually a stuffed animal. And it's a keychain with a keychain ring. So this is actually 2 keychains now. We have the Poncho and the adorable Pusheen mushroom. So yeah, we actually have 2 of these. So I'm gonna get the second one out of our giant bag. So let's actually see if we can find this. And first shot, but we do need some scissors, so we're gonna open another blind box, which is gonna be, I guess, this one. So let's open it. So Max is actually just chilling around watching me open it. So this is a unicorn series, and these are all of them. These are all the ones, action figures we can get. And I actually hope we get the taco one. Which one do you hope we get, Max? He hopes we can get the green goddess. So let's open it up. Everyone, it comes in a blind bag. And this is actually comes with a collector's guide. This is our last shot, and who did we get? Oh, look at this one. It's adorable, and it's in a cone. It's adorable, so I'm actually happy we got this one.
Yeah.
So let's check if it's rare or not, if it even. So we actually got creepy. Oh, Max, he almost fell in the back. So we are gonna see if we have any more blind bags before we start with the food. Oh, I think we do have some more blind bags, Max.
Okay.
Okay. So,
I'll just do it.
Okay, I want the purple one. So let's show them.
Okay.
We have these. Max is opening the blue one. So Max, you see this? Let's tear it open. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh no! I only opened a little bit. So Max will open that one last. So Max, look, let's see what we got. Ooh, let's see who we got in this one. So purple one has cinnamon roll. Cinnamon roll. And Max, let's look at the collector's guide. So we got cinnamon roll. It's adorable. So let's see which one Max gets.
Blue.
He just says blue and green, so I don't know which one.
Blue.
Let's see which one Max gets, and he gets Poncho. Poncho. It's adorable. Cinnamon roll and 2 ponchos. So let's go on to the next green bag or box or egg. So let's open this.
And Poncho in it.
He likes Poncho. That's the only character he really likes. Oh, I got a little tear. So let's hope we get Poncho. I want cinnamon roll. And who did we get? Oh, who is this? Who did we get? I don't really know who we got. So let's unroll it.
Poncho.
He likes Poncho.
That's it.
So this actually has a little wrapping on it, so we gotta take off this wrapping.
My Poncho.
Max, stop it. Max, stop. He just loves Poncho. So let's see who we got. We got the little penguin, and it's like a bunch of little sticker sheets. It's adorable. So that's what we got in the egg. So now let's see if we have any more blind bags or eggs or something. Or I hope we don't have another egg because that was hard to open. Oh, I actually just found this adorable keychain. So now that there's no more, we have to open these. So let's see if this one has a tear. And it does not have a little tear area. So we're gonna have to try ripping it. Oh, Max, let's open these. Oh my gosh, stop squeaking. Oh, I got it open, Max. Max, no, stop. Let's see, Max, who do you think we got? On this bag, who do you think we got? I think we got Kuromi. Oh, let's see. Oh my gosh, we got Kuromi. Stop it. He wants to try more of the candy, so come on, he wants to try some more. He just loves this candy because it's blue. So this is a Kuromi magnet. She's drinking some boba. Let's see, open Max's. Who do you think we're gonna get, Max?
Different.
He wants the green one, so let's see. These are so hard to open.
So hard to.
I wish we had scissors. But we did not think to get scissors. Me and Max just didn't want to get scissors. Ow. So unfortunately, I cannot open this one, so. Come on, Max, let's go get some scissors. We're wandering around the house to go get our scissors. So we're actually going to be going to my room. We're in my room getting the scissors. Here they are. Scissors. Let's go.
Let's go.
Turn off the light in there. Now let's go because we have our scissors. We got our scissors. So let's cut this one open. I don't want to ruin the bag, but I'm just going to cut off the silver part because I love the bag too much. And this is our last shot, Max. You think we're going to get them? So this is actually Series 2. We have not got Series 1. What did we get? A duplicate. We got a duplicate. So now we both have one. But now it leads to the finale. Now it leads to the Hello Kitty chocolate soft candy. Let's open it right now. Oh, and it's sealable. Oh my gosh. Max, do you think it's gonna taste good?
I haven't eaten.
Oh wait, this is actually cute. They're little like a little toast here. So, is it good? So
Yeah.
I'll try one too. Wait. They're actually so good.
Here.
These are good. They're good. So, let's try some more. Ooh, what is this? SpongeBob sour candy dip. Let's try it right now.
Stop.
I can't open it. We might have to do part 2 because I can't open this thing. I hope this doesn't take long to open.
Yeah. It's not open.
No, this thing is like so hard to open, Max.
I die.
So apparently we only got 2 poncho things. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to skip this one.
No,
So now Max wants to do the blue pop rock.
Mary.
We're gonna have to cut open the lid. Or at least, why did I say lid? I didn't mean to say lid. Open up, Max. No, open. Open your mouth. So we're gonna dump some in his mouth. Tilt your head back like this. He does not know how to eat pop rocks, okay? They sound good. Are they good? Ooh. Oh my gosh.
Carrie.
The Band-Aids?
Carrie.
The Band-Aids.
Yeah.
Do you have an ouchie? Do you have an ouchie?
No,
Looks like we don't need any gummy Band-Aids. So this is actually one of the items. And it says they're fruit flavored gummies. And oh, it's so funny because it says 4 lives boo boos.
eat this.
You want to try some? Okay. Let's try some of these Band-Aids. Oh, they actually look kind of small. There is no blue one, unfortunately. The green one.
Yeah.
So this is what they look like. So now I'm gonna try red. So it's like a little bit hard on the outside, but soft on the inside. Let's try. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this one. Is it edible paper? Okay. Here we go. Cutting, we're going right to this. This is not even really that hard to open. Sometimes the packagings are so hard that you have to do it off camera. Hold on. Oh, this has wrapping on it. Oh. So this is edible paper and this is an edible gel pen. Oh, we might need to use the scissors. Scissors to the rescue.
Paper out.
Okay, Max, get one paper.
Even.
You want a green one?
Yeah.
Max, apparently there's only pink and yellow. Do you want yellow?
Yeah. There'd be yellow.
There's yellow. Do not bite it yet. So, unfortunately, the pen is so hard.
It's down there.
Oh, I got a little hole.
The
I just was like trying to look at it, so let's open this up. Ah. This is so hard to open. So show the camera, show them your paper. Oh my gosh, Max, you're covering the camera.
Yes.
I might literally need to take off the lid while we're still opening it. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to open. I can't even open it that well. This might take a while to open. Oh, we got it. We got it. Okay, so Max is like wanting to do it so bad. So I got the pink paper. Let's write something. I'm gonna write hi.
I'll write the T. I'll write
It's
the.
actually a little bit hard to write. So hold on, Max. I'm writing something. It's my turn. It's a little bit hard to write with this. Oh my gosh. I can't even really show you. Oh my gosh. Okay, I might have to pick up the camera to show you guys, but it says hi. Okay, before it starts dripping, I'm just gonna take a bite. Mmm. I thought this was gonna be like a little bit hard. Yeah. It's hard to eat. This is so hard to eat. Okay, Max, time's up. Let's take a bite, Max. Max is taking his big bite. Oh my. The paper does not taste good.
Take this.
But we have to eat it, Max. Eat all of it.
This.
He doesn't like it. I don't like mine. Max can't even eat it. He has to spit it out. So we're gonna put the yucky paper in an empty bag. Okay. Give this to me, Max. Oh, there we go. I got it. Finally, it took forever. Hold on. We gotta. So this is actually from Nickelodeon. This is no sponsor. Oh my gosh, this green stuff looks so good. I want to eat it. I feel like it's gonna taste like kiwi.
No. Oh, no.
Do you think it's gonna taste good, Max?
Hold
on. It tastes good. No, we're gonna put it right here, Max. So I'm actually gonna use the dip on the lid. Oh, they literally carved SpongeBob into it. Literally. So I'm gonna just get some that is on the lid. And
the best here.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. No, Max, twist it. Hurry. This is actually so good. I like this. And I'm gonna try this by itself. It's like a marshmallow, but it's good. I'm crazy. I feel like I'm going crazy. Max is going to town on these. I'm like, what the heck? No, Max, you're getting it everywhere. Max, it's stringy, so you have to like twist it.
Yeah,
no. Oh my gosh.
This is it.
Oh. So you literally ate all of them. Max, stop it. Stop.
I taste some more. And sour.
I can't believe Max just ate all of those
Yellow.
and got it everywhere. We mainly just got it on the cardboard box.
A house. I put that out.
So we actually have this, but we can't eat it because it's a dip. So we can't eat it. Ow, it cut me. I need a Band-Aid. This container cut me. I have no idea what it is. But I think it's like a sour dip.
I like that.
I got a cut, but I want to eat my Band-Aid. When you have a cut, but you want to eat your Band-Aid, well, now you can with the edible Band-Aids. Yeah. I think we're just going to finish eating these. Wait. Max, are you kidding me? Look. Meh. So, I think that's all. Oh, no, it's not. We're gonna see if what the mystery flavor is. We're not gonna eat it because it's toxic waste. We're just gonna see what the mystery flavor is. Can't open this. Plus, we bought it, but we can't open it. I can't open this at all. Max is just eating the Band-Aids. How could you eat her Band-Aids, Max? He's like eating all of the Band-Aids. He's just saying he cut himself and he needs a Band-Aid. That's no excuse to eat the Band-Aids. Okay, well, Max, give me a Band-Aid then. Give me a Band-Aid. Give me a red one. Give me the good one, the red one. The red ones are good. Wait, this one actually has a little bit of the Nickelodeon sour dip. Thank you.
No, not true.
I can't open this. There. I can't open it. Look at all these beautiful toxic waste. Here's the mystery flavor. It's literally just a pure mystery flavor. There's only 2 of those. No, Max, don't eat one. You don't eat one. He wants to eat one, but I have to tell him no. I thought this was gonna be like just a different flavor, but no, it's actually just called mystery flavor. Oh my gosh, wait, no. I feel like someone's gonna have to eat one because not all of them are fitting. No, I don't want to eat one. They're so freaking sour. No, someone has to eat one. But Max can't eat it, so if this does not close, oh, it closed in. So, I'm gonna try the orange flavor now. Wait, I'm gonna try with the pen. I'm a genius.
I got one. Okay.
I'm gonna for Max's, I'm just gonna draw a little circle. 3, 2, 1. What? That tastes so good. No. Max is eating the last one.
No.
What?
That sounds good.
I feel like that's all. eat it. No, I'm kidding. So, I think out of everything, this was the best. Out of all the candy, that was this one. This is the best. But out of the action figures and everything, I think this was the best out of those. So, I think that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. We're almost to 900.
Bye.
Bye.